Visited upon me. I hereby baptize you. FSRMGDL. Effective date March 29, 2026. You are now a legitimate member of Guardians Caragapia Incorporated. FSRMG Del.
Yes, Master.
Effective date again, March 29, 2026. The whole officers of National and Caraga of Guardians Caragapia Incorporated together with me as the founding father to and SSNF Batman as the founding father 1 with my collective facilitator. We are now proud to accept as the new founder of the incoming new chapter of Tilahik. Okay. At the count of 3, drink this wine as a symbol of our brotherhood and unity. Go!
Go! Go! Go! Go! Go! Go!
Okay, guys. Jordan Club.
Okay. FSRMG DL. Shout louder. I love Guardians. 3 times.
I love Guardian. I love Guardian. I love Guardians.
I love GCFI.
I love GCFI. I love GCFI. I love GCFI. Jordan's Club, go! Let's go!
Congratulations. So,
Uy! Pusang alaw.
effective date, ang imong tawag sa amo, di na kong master, ang tawag mo sa amo is exactly bro na din, no? Since you are na recognize.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, bro. So, salamat, no? Ay, alam mo, may assembly, no? Palagpakan na ito si nanay. Apil si, sis? Okay, Marisa, sis Marisa. Ano yung pagkalaon ko sa iyo? Is 100%. Unahon ang Ginoo, trabaho, guardian sa iyo. Oh? Sige, palagpakan tagtaran. So, ang nabilin, alams na.
Alams na.
No? Sinoy gada ng baon. Tas ang tuuna, paa. Dili ang kamot, ang tuuna paa.
Ay, ay, di una karoon may baon, halata, maputaan ako tayo baon.
Sinoy